Hey cooks, on the show today, we're going to do a product test and review of the Duncan Hines Perfect Size for One Corn Muffin in a cup. You make this in the microwave. I thought this was interesting. Thought it would be interesting for work. Pop it in the microwave, have a little corn muffin along with your reheated leftover stew, something like that. I thought this would be fun. We're going to be testing this out in our new Toshiba microwave. So I'm Amy and I'm on a mission to become a better cook. Hit the subscribe button below to join me. So now let's do a product test and review of the Duncan Hines Perfect Size for One Corn Muffin mix that we are going to make in a mug in the microwave. So a few weeks ago, we went to this discount grocery store where they have a lot of great prices on some really unique products. And we picked up this Duncan Hines Perfect Size for One corn muffin mix that you make in a mug and you put it in the microwave and it is ready in about a minute. There are 4 pouches in here for 4 corn muffins and we paid $2 for $1. So we got 2 of these for $1. And I wanted to try this out just for giggles to see how it tastes, right? We're going to do this in our new Toshiba microwave. We did a video on this. I'll put a link down in the description. Cute little microwave. Looking forward to using it. I'll put a link to the video where we did the unboxing and the initial test. And I'll also put a link to the Amazon page where you can take a look at it. Okay, so we just set up the microwave over here so it's closer to the camera. So here's our corn muffin mix. Perfect size for one, right? There's 4 pouches in here. We got these 2 for $1. So the instructions are to empty 1 pouch into the microwave safe mug. We have right here, my Amy Learns to Cook mug. Add 3 tablespoons of water and stir with a spoon. Ensure that the stuff from the bottom is all stirred in. We're going to microwave it on high for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay, so let's do this. We get our package out here. I've never made corn muffins in the microwave before, so we will see. We'll see how the microwave does and how this mix is. So we're going to put our mix in our Amy Learns to Cook cup. My brother got me this cup. We got 3 tablespoons of water, and we're going to go ahead and mix and mix. I do say that the batter is clumping up at the bottom, so I can see why they asked you to do that. Okay, so we're going to put it on here, and 1 minute and 10 seconds. Time cook 70. Start. And we're going to have some corn muffins. Yay! Okay, so our corn muffin is done. And it's done all the way. The Toshiba microwave did a great job. It cooked it in the exact time that it said on the package. The only issue for me is in terms of this mix. So the picture on the mix shows you this big fluffy corn muffin. And it's done, and I used the size cup that they said to use. But look at it, it doesn't look as pretty as it does on the package. Let's see how it tastes. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on here. But it's done all the way. The microwave did a great job. Let's see. It tastes like a corn muffin. Wow. I'm impressed. Put more butter in there. It's kind of a little gummier than like a regular corn muffin, but like just over a minute in the microwave. Kind of tastes like a corn muffin. Kind of a fun thing if you have kids to have them make corn muffins in the microwave. I definitely would prefer cooking them in the oven, but for some fun kind of activity or something quick, you want to make a corn muffin at work or something, stick them in the microwave. This is kind of fun. So for this, I sort of give my thumbs, like that, right?
It didn't cost much.
No, it was 2 for $1. So I paid 50 cents and there's 4 pouches in here. So that's like not very much at all.
The butter costs more.
Yeah, the microwave did a great job. Thumbs up on the microwave. Thank you, Toshiba. We're going to look forward to using that. Heating up our leftovers, warming butter, all kinds of stuff. I like it. I'll put a link down in the description. It's great for small kitchens, for your office, for apartments. I think it's wonderful for that. So once again, thank you, Toshiba, for the microwave. And this is a pretty interesting concept. So I sort of give it my thumbs up. But thumbs up on the microwave. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Corn muffin.